What? Samsung? Yeah, would you believe it that my channel isn't just about Apple products, it's about tech in general? But speaking of Apple products, one of my iPhone 4S is unfortunately expanded, so I had to get rid of that. But yeah, I use stuff that's not Apple. Check out this Striker wallpaper. Yeah, I have quite a few apps on here. Discord, YouTube, Instagram, Reddit, YouTube Studio, SoundCloud, Spotify. I won't explain what that is. Oh yeah, Telegram, Twitch, Solar Smash, Color Switch, and just basic apps. And some more games in here. I even have a folder dedicated to the bloatware shit that Samsung pre-install onto their phones. Now, why do I have this? Well, I think some Samsung phones are pretty cool, including this one. Look at this beautiful color that it's in. You know, there's always a feud of which phone is better, iPhone or Samsung. You know, there's always the debate, which phone is better, iPhone or Android? Well, I don't really care which one's better, because I have both. I have both, and I enjoy both. Anyway, let's see one of the games I have, and let's see how well it runs. I have not yet tested this Need for Speed game, so that'll be a perfect game to test on this video. Yeah, continue with Google and everything. Oh, downloading updates. Oh, okay. Well, I'll let that do its thing. We're finally getting in. Wow, look at those graphics. This doesn't seem to be controlling very well, but maybe I'm just not controlling it very good. Controls! Sure, we'll do tilt, why not? Oh, there we go. Oh, that's much better. We're playing the game, guys. Very bad, but it's playing it. Oh, I hit so many signs. Oh, my car is being destroyed. Yeah, you know what I do with every phone I review on this channel. I test the camera. Whoa guys, look, it's me and my camera. That is amazing, isn't it? And yes, you might have pointed out that I have VR chat on here. I have not tested it out yet. Maybe I will in this video, I don't know, probably not. And you're probably wondering, what version of Android is this even running? Android version 10. Yeah, this is one of the phones that has the Edge screen on it, and also the pen. Oh, I've never seen this screen before. Air actions. Press the pen button to take pictures, control music, more with a wide range of apps. There's also this Edge tray thing that has stuff in it. I'm not really sure what it's for, but I guess it's cool. I don't really use it at all. I just kind of, you know, interact with the stylus normally and just click on any apps. Let's actually watch a YouTube video on this edge-to-edge screen phone. You want to know what I find funny? Is that the videos that actually have me repairing or showing you how to repair something has the lowest amount of views on this channel. Let's watch a video on iPods. Yeah, you can see it appears on each edge, and it kind of looks a little weird. I'd say this is a really good device for listening to music and playing stuff. And fun fact, what's that? What is this thing on the bottom here? I don't remember seeing this. I don't, what is, huh? I think the Galaxy Note 9 still holds up very, very well in 2024, because a lot of things are still supporting Android 10. Not only that, but it's so smooth. Look how smooth. But yeah, that's pretty much it for this video. If you have enjoyed, give it a like and subscribe. I will see you guys in the next one.